Here is my list of the 5 most important tools to get started with Leathercrafts. Links in the video description. Let's go! Number 5. Hammer time. I don't think I need to say much about it, except that it should ideally be nylon or wrapped leather for better cushioning. 4. To get nice rounded corners, an edge beveler is indispensable. You can also get this as a multi-tool with Number 3. A leather groover. This ensures a clean line where you can set your seam, which brings me to Number 2. On a clean line you can use a prong chisel to punch holes with perfect spacing. This will give you a professional seam pattern. Number 1. Hit the like button. It helps me grow so I can make more videos for you. But I'm just kidding. Here's the real number 1. Besides the rudimentary tools like a knife, ruler or a pencil, my choice fell on the leather burnisher. With this tool in combination with an edge beveler, you can create beautiful polished rounded edges. In this video on the left I show you how I make a bag with all these tools, so go and check it out. And remember, all links in the description. So now you're well equipped to do your first leather work. Have fun. Bye.